I don't know if you can hear it, but this is the sound of the British summertime. We're in a little caravan down in just outside Sheerness at a place called Laysdown on the Isle of Sheppey. And as I said, this is the sound of British summer as we sit in our little caravan watching the rain, or kind of watching the rain, and listening to it on the roof of the caravan. To be honest with you, it's not half as noisy as it used to be on the roof of our towing caravan, but I have to say I like the sound. I don't mind it at all. There you go. It's the sound of British summer from the Isle of Sheppey in Kent.